Charles, I was not ready for that.
What's up, YouTube? If you don't know me yet, it is your boy Charles TV. Today I'm with my sister. I got my sister right here in the background. We are gonna go ahead and do some stuff with the Mustang. I want to go ahead and give her a little interview on the Mustang. I had nothing else to do today. I was pretty much off today, slept all day, but I just wanted to go ahead and get a little rundown of y'all don't even know my sister yet, but my sister, she's my twin sister. Not much to do.
Oh shoot, I found out. Hey y'all, it's your girl Chardonnay. Follow me on Instagram at London Bricks. And today I'm gonna skirt off a lot. You feel me? And we finna get this shit jumping.
Okay, we're not skirting off no lot, but
Yep, skirting off a lot.
we're gonna go ahead and take this outside right now. See, like what I said, I'm gonna give her a little interview on it. See what she thinks about it. I don't think she's seen it since I added a spoiler on it. So we're gonna go ahead and give her a little interview on that. All right, y'all. Got this thing in the back. Want to ask her personal questions about the car that I never asked her. So dang, okay, let me go to okay. Hold on. The ambulance just passed by making up all that noise. So question number one. What do you think about the car? Question number, what do you think about the car?
I think it's a nice car. The details are very nice. I like how you put the stickers on, the lights. I mean, I'm not too into cars. Guys are really into cars, but it's nice. It's something. I think it's something I could drive.
Something slight.
Something slight. No, I'm like a Ferrari, Bugatti type of girl.
Okay, yeah, we ain't on that level yet. I'm gonna pull that camera. So I got this wing done yesterday. What do you think about this?
You got the what done?
I got this spoiler done yesterday. So what's your opinion on it?
I think this is a perfect piece to put on a car, on a fast car.
So you think it looks better with it?
Yes, I think it looks better with it because it just doesn't fulfill the whole car because it's a fast car. So without it, it's just like, he ain't really living like that when he got this piece. So that was a good job.
So yeah, so we pretty much do like the spoiler. So I just want to get y'all into more into detail. Just want to ask you about a little bit of questions. If y'all, just like what I said, it is my twin sister. If y'all do wonder in a lot more videos, just go ahead and let me know. Just go ahead and put down in the comments. Go ahead and let me know.
Challenges.
Yeah, pretty
prank
much.
Wars, anything. You got it. Just comment below, subscribe, do what you gotta do.
Yeah. Go ahead and just comment below. She does want to drive it. Honestly, look. Let me go ahead and let y'all know. Y'all give me 10 likes on this video. What's today's date? The 1st of August to the 14th of August. And say 10 likes, and I'll go ahead and let her drive it. Don't forget, the people that don't know, my car is standard. It is a standard car. She does know how to drive standard, so it's gonna be more of a teaching video, teaching her how to drive standard. Nah, and that's pretty much it. We might just go do a couple of burnouts. Come on now.
Yes, I want to do a donut. You should let me do.
There's a whole lot of one thing I am worried about is the cops though. The cops are obviously here in my car. But so we might go ahead and do that right now. But she won't be able to do it because it is my car is standard. Go ahead, try to start it up. Let's see how this. Let's go ahead and start it up. What do you do?
Put your foot on the
Let me get a better angle. Matter of fact,
the car. Don't you press that?
how do you? Okay. Before you break my car down.
Okay.
First of all, I said 4th gear. Second of all, you're supposed to put your foot down on the first one. There's one to the far left that you cannot probably see. You gotta tap it down with your foot.
Okay.
All the way down.
Okay.
Is it all the way down, like maxed out down?
Yeah.
Then you gotta click the start. This has to be a neutral.
Okay.
Go to click the start. Boom, we unleashed the beast. But yeah,
this is like the gas pedal, right?
No, that is the clutch because you gotta drive.
So how do you?
You gotta use. Soon enough, I have the exhaust for y'all. Bring out the stock exhaust. Hey, whoa! Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and just click on that.
Oh wow, yeah, you're definitely gonna have to show me how to drive this because I'm gonna be scared not to lie. You feel me?
Okay, whoa, chill out. So yeah, soon enough I am gonna go to teach you how to drive this. But
So like this video, subscribe, so he'll let me drive his car. Please, guys, just one like will help. Come on, just like it so I can drive it.
one like a day. Call 1-800. It'll help someone.
Let's go, buddy.
But let me see. I don't know if I want to do burnouts right now. I might just go ahead and do one or two. Let me go to get it. Hold this. Where's my keys at? Hold this.
There'd be too much going on over here.
And what I need to do is get some gas. All the niggas are there's that woman, the one that dang, I don't know if I want to do a burnout right here though.
Do you think we look alike, guys? Like for real? 'Cause I don't.
Alright, y'all. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it. Probably get hot. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it just because I don't know where our other location's at. The location where we do the burnouts. I don't know where it's at.
These cops out here, they be hiding.
They don't be playing no types of jokes.
Get your ass real quick. Woo woo.
But freaking, I don't know where the other spot's at. Usually I'll follow my homeboy over there, but obviously I can't because I don't know where he's at. See, look at this right here, but this is, I don't want to do this so freaking dead end.
Yeah, this is a small spot too. A small
I would not even
space.
trust this.
Oh my god. Charles, I was not ready for that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is too
just
small,
tried
though.
to kill me.
This is way too small. And this is a one-way. Watch a cop get me right now. There goes one.
All right, keep playing.
We're like, officer, look, I lost control. Honestly, I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, but I am sorry. But that's pretty
In
much
one
it.
spot, you lost control.
You know. Let me turn that back.
Sorry, get off the car.
But we're gonna go ahead and call this video. We're gonna actually go ahead and call this video at night. It's already late. Well, it's not late, but I think recording is late. So that's gonna pretty much be
I
it.
didn't hear somebody there, boy. Well, that'll do it for today, y'all.
Remember what I said? 10 likes on this video before August 14th. It is August 1st right now. This video would be up August 2nd. Give this video 10 likes by August 14th. I'll go ahead and let her drive it. It is your boy Charles TV. We do got Chardonnay, aka London Bricks, off my Instagram. We'll go ahead and call this video a peace. Chunks and deuces, y'all. Appreciate y'all.
London Bricks _